So welcome back, guys. We've done all the catching up when it comes to Gemini and the Google AI Pro plan. So you could get it like I've mentioned earlier. You could get this Google One Pro plan. You could go to Google website itself to get it, and you could see currently I'm having that plan right here. But see right here, these are some of the benefits, and we've spoken about all the benefits and how to use these benefits from Gemini Pro itself to using Gemini in Gmail to using this share storage, which is 2 terabytes, and to doing all this all with this particular AI Pro plan of Google One. Well, you could get it directly from Google, or you come to store.beladcreative.com to get it at discounted price. I've said this over and over again. So you could come to this store.beladcreative.com and come to where you see creative tools. Then you could get it at subsidized rates, and you could keep using the free version. You don't have to get this to be able to use the features or some of the features that were listed in this course. Some of it were totally free, so you could try them out on your free plan. But if you see the need to get a pro plan, you get it at a subsidized rate here on store.beladcreative.com, or you reach out to the admin and see how you could get one for yourself. I hope to see you in another course, because this is where we wrap up the course. I hope to see you in any of my courses. Yeah, Phoebe, drop it. I'm coming. I hope to see you in my courses, in other courses that we are going to have out there. So this will be a bye for now.